Now let us take the third case, how to construct the velocity diagram and how to determine the velocities and angular velocities of the links of toggle mechanism. This is a toggle mechanism. In a toggle mechanism, the crank OP rotates with a speed of 120 rpm in counterclockwise direction and it makes an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal. The length of the links are OP is 80 mm, PR 180 mm, RS 270 mm, RQ 240 mm. Point Q is at a distance of 240 mm from this vertical axis and 200 mm from this horizontal axis. And we need to determine the velocity of the slider S, angular velocity of links PR, RS and RQ. Very first step is to construct the configuration diagram to suitable scale. Now, how to construct the configuration diagram for a given toggle mechanism? First, I will fix up the point O. Then, I will fix up the point Q, which is at a distance of 240 mm from the vertical axis and 200 mm from the horizontal axis with respect to O. That I will fix up this. This is point Q. As usual, for configuration diagram, take a suitable scale, fix O and fix Q. Now, draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees and on this 45 degrees line, measure a length of 80 mm with respect to the scale of configuration diagram and fix up the point P. OP is the crank. Now, PR length is known. With known PR 180 mm as per the scale with the P as center, cut an arc. Then RQ length is also known because we know the position of Q with the 240 mm radius with the Q as center, cut an arc to get capital R. Join this QR and join this PR. Then RS distance is given with respect to scale with the R as center, cut an arc on the horizontal line passing through this Q to get point S. Join this RS. And show the direction of crank OP, anti-clockwise direction. This is the configuration of the given toggle mechanism. Second step is to determine the magnitude of velocity of the crank. Velocity of P relative to O, that is Vp, is OP into angular velocity OP. In this problem also, the crank angular velocity is not given directly. The speed of crank is expressed in 120 rpm. Therefore, this can be written as OP into 2 pi n by 60. That is 80 multiplied by 2 pi into 120 by 60. This you are going to get some value with respect to mm per second. This is the magnitude. But as you know, the direction of P relative to O is perpendicular and it is in the direction of motion of the link. Therefore, in the configuration diagram, I will show the velocity of point P perpendicular to OP in the direction of motion of crank OP. With this configuration diagram and with this magnitude of crank, both in direction and magnitude, let us construct the velocity diagram for the toggle mechanism. As you know that very first step in construction of velocity diagram is fix the pole. Pole is a point that represents all the fixed points of the mechanism. Now, I will fix up the pole. Let us analyze how many fixed points are there. O is one fixed point, Q is another fixed point, S is not a fixed point but because it is a slider. Therefore, only two fixed points are there, O and Q, that can be represented at pole. Consider PC, whose direction is known, magnitude is known, as per the scale of the velocity diagram and the direction from pole, draw a line perpendicular to OP and fix the point small p. Now consider PR. PR means velocity of R relative to P as seen at P is perpendicular. Therefore, through P, draw a line perpendicular to PR. Now consider RQ. Velocity of R relative to Q is perpendicular to link RQ. Since Q is fixed point, velocity of R with respect to Q becomes absolute. Therefore, through pole, draw a line perpendicular to RQ. These two intersection lines I am going to get small r. Vector OR represents the velocity image of RQ. Vector PR represents the velocity image of link PR. Now I will consider link PS. Velocity of S relative to R as seen at R is perpendicular. Therefore, through R, draw a line perpendicular to RS. Now S is a slider. The velocity of slider is absolute because it is slides with respect to fixed element. Since it is absolute, it starts from pole. Direction is parallel to line of reciprocation. Therefore, through pole, draw a line parallel to line of reciprocation, and intersection of these two I am going to get point S. Vector RS is velocity image of link RS. Vector OS is velocity of slider S. Now check all the points are there in the velocity diagram or not. O, P, R, Q, S. O, P, R, Q, S. Now, the last step is to determine the velocity and angular velocities of the components. First one is velocity of the slider. Velocity of the slider is here, S is the slider, Vs. When I write single alphabet, it is an absolute. In the velocity diagram, measure vector OS into scale. This is first point. Second, angular velocity of link PR is velocity of PR by capital PR. Velocity of PR is vector PR into scale by PR. The third one is angular velocity of link RS is vector velocity of RS by capital RS. RS is vector SR into scale divided by RS. Lastly, fourth one is angular velocity of RQ. This is velocity of RQ by RQ. Since Q is a fixed point, which is vector OR into scale divided by RQ. This is how the velocity diagram can be drawn and to determine the velocity components of the elements of the mechanism. Thank you.